imperative sentences. Imperative sentence बताओ, किसी को पता है?
Imperative sentence, those sentence it shows a request, command, and suggestion and advice.
Can you
When
repeat?
we order to someone,
When we give it in a
Please
command,
give me a
that's
pen.
very
That's
or
an
when we
imperative
give
sentence.
instruction.
when we try to give some comments or advice to somebody.
कमांड भी होता है, रिक्वेस्ट भी होता है, एडवाइस भी होता है, इंस्ट्रक्शंस भी होते हैं और परमिशन. ओके. इसमें इंपेरेटिव में ना पता ज्यादातर क्या, व्हाट टू डू, क्या करना चाहिए. ज्यादातर इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस हमेशा वर्ब से शुरू होते हैं. द सब्जेक्ट इज यूजुअली यू, हिडन, अंडरस्टूड, है ना, छुपा हुआ होता है. क्लोज द डोर. Close is a verb. Generally, it starts with verb. It is an order. है ना? It is a command. Close the door. आया समझ?
मैम imperative एक बार फिर से बता दीजिए.
Okay. Imperative sentences are those sentences, वो sentence होते हैं जिसमें हम command भी देते हैं. command मतलब order देना, request भी करते हैं, है ना, advice भी देते हैं, सलाह भी देते हैं, and we instructions and permissions. ठीक है?
Yes ma'am.
Clear to everyone?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Please sit down. It is a
Imperative sentence.
it is a imperative sentence. It is a request. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It is clear.
Okay. I will make one.
Follow me.
What is this?
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
It is a type of sentence. I'm not commanding you. I'm just example.
ma'am,
Is the interrogative sentence.
Yes, Neha.
what if there is such a type of sentence where it says, "Can you get me a glass of water?" Would it be imperative or interrogative?
Explaining English, so our English will improve more everyone. Sneha Das, I was explaining in English only, but here everyone is not comfortable. Okay? So I have to use few words in Hindi as well.
Okay.
If I will not
repeat?
as few students will write that, ma'am, we are not able to understand what you are saying.
Okay ma'am.
And students, one more thing, Iqbal is telling right. Please everyone mute your mic. Manish, mute your mic, otherwise it will be disturbed. It creates disturbance for me. Whenever you want to, the voice is breaking. From my end, everything is clear. My network is all okay. There is no problem in my network. There must be some problem from your side.
No, ma'am. Your voice is actually breaking.
My voice is okay now.
Sometimes your voice is breaking.
No, from my end.
Yes ma'am.
From my end, everything is okay. I internet is okay. There's no problem. There must be some problem from your side.
Ma'am, sometimes your voice slow and
You can join again. You can leave the class and join again. There must be some problem from your end.
okay ma'am.
Okay. I will give one more example for imperative sentence. Please help me. Please help me. Okay, Mohad Zaid, make a sentence for imperative sentence.
मैम सेंटेंस मैम बनाना है मैम क्रिएट
बनाओ बनाओ.
Take care of yourself.
It is a request, command, or what?
Advice.
Yes. Right. What else?
Ma'am,
Arun, go outside. Right. Absolutely right.
you
Minnie,
help
Open the door.
open the door. Okay. Command.
Yes.
Up.
Submit your examination paper.
Which type of sentence would it be? Interrogative? Clear this down. Okay. Sneha, I will clear this down. Just let me give me some time. I'll explain you in the end of this class. Okay. So that first I will explain everything. Then, okay. Mohad, Abdul, make a sentence. Students, please don't write in the chat box. Please unmute yourself now.
Submit your homework.
What?
Submit your homework.
Submit your,
Imperative.
right?
please close the window.
Close the window. It is a command. Okay. When you will use please, then it is a request.
Bring me a glass of water.
मैम फॉलो मी गाइस मैम इसका वो हो जाएगा मैम इंस्ट्रक्शन हो गया.
Yes.
फॉलो मी गाइस.
Try again.
We must follow the traffic rules.
Okay. Sneha.
Go to bed, ma'am.
Sneha Dash. Here
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have used question mark. Can you bring me a glass of water? It's obviously it is a interrogative sentence. Interrogative.
Imperative at the same time.
Okay. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
At the same time.
Ma'am, can you give me a glass of water, please? Question mark. तो then imperative and interrogative.
नहीं दोबारा.
Can you give me a glass of water, please?
आगे क्वेश्चन मार्क है
Question
तो
mark.
इंटेरोगेटिव ही है. वो इंटेरोगेटिव ही रहेगा.
Okay.
जब क्वेश्चन मार्क आता है इट इज अ इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंस. ओके. In sentences gives an order, it ends with period or an exclamation point. ठीक है. Go to your room. Stop. Understood? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. For example, you should go there.
Go there. Right. Keep quiet. It's an exclamation. आया समझ?
Stay calm.
Bring me a glass of water. And
मैम
this is-
आपने कीप क्वाइट वाली जो एग्जांपल दिए थे तो वो तो मैम आपका ऑर्डर हो गया ना.
Yes. Keep quiet. It is an order. और
Yes,
मगर आया क्या पे आगे? Exclamation भी तो आया मार्क.
मैम क्या
यहाँ पे क्या बोला है? मैंने यहाँ पे क्या बोला? Imperative sentences order भी देते हैं. Ends
इंस्ट्रक्शन.
with full stop. बट कभी कभी exclamation mark के साथ भी end होते हैं. स्क्रीन पे देखो.
यस मैम.
आया समझ?
मैम सच बोलूं तो नहीं आया ये.
ओके. एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क पता है कब लगेगा? जब किसी चीज की स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग और अर्जेंसी होगी
ओके मैम.
तभी लगेगा इंपेरेटिव में. ऐसे नहीं लगेगा.
ओके मैम.
बहुत ही ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग है या बहुत ही ज्यादा अर्जेंट है वो चीज. इज इट क्लियर? अब आया
Yes.
सब?
मैम यहाँ imperative लगेगा क्या? come to the party. Join our party.
हम हुर्रा और अलाज की बात हुई तो आई थिंक लगता है ना
Please write the sentence in your chat box.
exclamation mark.
Okay. What are exclamatory sentences? अब आप बताओ exclamatory क्या होते हैं?
Ma'am, may I?
हाँ जी.
Yes, it shows sudden feeling and sudden feeling. Like, I bravo, I won the match. Oh shit, and the baby is sleeping.
Sudden
Shit,
emotion.
the baby is sleeping.
Sudden emotion. Strong
Sudden
feeling.
feeling.
हाँ, है ना? Like happiness, sadness, or you can say anger, excitement, surprise. सही बोल रही हूँ?
Yes, ma'am.
आया समझ? हैप्पीनेस दिखाना, सरप्राइज दिखाना, एंगर गुस्सा दिखाना, सैडनेस, एक्साइटमेंट. एक्सक्लेमेशन सेंटेंस हमेशा एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क के साथ एंड होता है. क्लियर? व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल डे, है ना? इट इज अ एक्सप्रेशन ना, मैं एक्सप्रेस कर रही हूँ ना इमोशन. व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल डे. मेरी फीलिंग आज का दिन बहुत अच्छा है. वो दिस इज अमेजिंग. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am. It's so beautiful place.
Okay. Exclamatory sentence expresses strong feeling. It ends with exclamation point. Oh, that's a great news. वाह, ये तो बहुत अच्छी न्यूज़ है. आया समझ?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, what an idea.
Wow, what an idea. Yes.
For
Wow.
example, what a great surprise.
Right.
Ma'am, it's wonderful day. Wonderful place.
Uh, oh no, I lost my bag. आया समझ? इसका एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस का ना स्ट्रक्चर पता है कैसा होता है? ज्यादातर स्टार्ट होते हैं व्हाट से. स्टार्ट होता है हाउ से. व्हाट, हाउ, हुर्रे, अलास, ब्रावो, ओह, है ना? क्लियर?
And can you make a sentence with how?
How beautiful she is. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
How quickly, oh wait, how quickly he finished the work. Okay? Clear?
मैम
Starting,
ऐसे बोल सकते हैं हाउ कैन इम्प्रूव माई स्पोकन.
huh?
मैम ये बोल सकते हैं क्या हाउ हाउ आई कैन इम्प्रूव माई स्पोकन.
Huh. Yes. How? Can you please repeat the sentence? How?
हाउ आई कैन इम्प्रूव.
Write it on the message box
ओके.
because it is your voice is breaking. How can I will check.
मैम यहाँ पे हाउ का यूज सरप्राइज के टोन में हुआ है ना?
हाँ?
एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस में हाउ का यूज सरप्राइज के टोन में होता है.
हाँ. Yes. Arun Yadav, hooray, we won the match, right? How I can improve. ये नहीं होगा. This is not an exclamatory sentence.